What's up, guys? We got a couple Nissan Patrol Customs first response, a red and a green one. Pull them out first, see what we got. Which one do you like? I like probably the green one. Love the design, nice sunroof. Not crazy about the blacked out engine, but hey, what are you gonna do? Love the white wheels. Love the wheels, the nice tires, everything's nice on it. Love the paint job. Very nice truck. Mountain Rescue. Wow. Very sharp. This one kind of reminds me of Christmas. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's a red. Exact same thing. Nothing different. Very nice, though. What do you think, guys? Thank you very much for watching.